All right, here's how to set up an ad campaign to promote an event in Facebook. So first, make the event in Facebook. You have to have an event that you can promote, obviously, before you run an ad. So don't do it the other way around. First, make the event in Facebook from your business page. So the Cody Birch fan page has an event happening June 11th through 13th. It's called FamCon, right? So everybody should go to that page anyways, famcon2020.com, and get your ticket squared away. But you click on the campaign objective. So click on the green new campaign button. And then you want to run an engagement campaign. And when you click engagement, it gives you 3 different options down here. Do you want post engagement? Do you want page likes? Or do you want event responses? So I clicked event responses. And then I just named it FamCon 2020 event promotion where the goal is event responses and hit continue. And then the next step at the ad set level, name it what you want to name it. This is Denver area entrepreneurs. So what I did, I just said, so you can select, I just selected Denver DMA, which I forget what DMA stands for. It's like something market area. It's like a bigger, it's not just Denver, it's like the Denver area. And so I don't want 18 to 65. I probably want more like 24 to 60 or something like that. And now I've got 1 million people in this audience because I said I also want not just people in Denver or the greater Denver area. I want people in Denver that also like advertising, entrepreneurship, marketing, small business, social media, right? Like you can just kind of social media marketing. It's a job title. So ideally, I mean, yeah, you could find job titles or whatever. Just get interests, which that's another big audience. So now we still have 1 million people here. So that's fine. So I've got 1 million people here in Denver. I don't need any connection type, and I'm going to do automatic placements, and I'm optimizing for event response. And I just said $10 a day for me. I'm going to run it through March 31st, and we'll just see how this goes. And that's pretty much it. So I didn't really change anything else. I just changed the budget. And so to pick a certain market, you can type in a zip code. You can type in whatever you want. So I just typed in, like you can see on the map now, that's Denver DMA, which is huge. Like that covers some of Kansas and other states, which is fine. If that's not okay, then you could just type in like Denver, Colorado, plus a radius. I think it's up to 25. No, it's up to 50. So Denver plus 50, and I can drop the Denver DMA part. Okay. I would also, I mean, I know the state because I live here. I live in Colorado Springs. I want to add Colorado Springs plus 50 miles as well. Okay, so now that's my ad set. It's still 1 million people. Denver is a really densely populated part of the state, and so that's what my ad set looks like now. Okay, so I added some interest of people that might be into this type of content. Start dates in the past because I'm just scooping off here. So now it'll start tomorrow at 11:22 a.m. Click continue, and now we're on the ad level. So you have to pick the page where your ads will come from. So I just picked the Cody Birch ad, or the Cody Birch fan page. Control copy, event image. Do a single image or video. I'm going to actually add some images. I'll do that offline here, but I don't really think I don't know if I have any other images of the event itself. But I'll do this off the video. But you can add other pictures of the event. So I don't know. This is of me speaking at the event. Let's see if it'll let me add 2 pictures. Okay. So now I've got picture 1, picture 2. Ideally, we would get an image of like the whole event or a better image, from the room and not just a picture of me. Whatever. So a couple things here. You search for the event. So before I already had this populated, but it says enter your event name or Facebook event URL. I started typing in it. It knows it's me, and so it found FamCon 2020 really quickly. And so for the ad copy, I would do something like want to learn how to better market and advertise your business. using the power sales funnels. Join us at FamCon. '11th through 13th at the Source Hotel in Denver. Plus, this week you can save $100 off your event ticket special early bird pricing. Cover 3 things at the event. More leads, how to grow email subscriber list by providing massive value in advance. Sales. How to convert your existing list to customers. Just so you can serve a lot of people. See you there. And I love this ad copy. I don't think I would actually publish this, but you get the idea. So since I know this is only going to Denver and Colorado Springs people, I can use this kind of headline to call out to them. I want to learn how to better market and advertise your business using power of sales funnels. Join us in FamCon. I would add more like spaces limited and like I don't know what I would add around this, but like I would let them know space is limited. This isn't my first event. I would add more inclusive pictures of people and not just me speaking on a stage, but you get the idea from what the ad copy can look like. And then you can see here, this type of ad is running like people can say they're interested. They can RSVP for the actual event from the ad itself. So that's how you run an ad for event response.